Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You hold the watch, power it off to prevent screen activation and accidental taps. Once done, place it face down on a soft cloth so the screen stays safe, and arrange a small tray for any tiny screws or clips. Confirm whether the case is a snap-on shell or an adhesive film. That matters because snap-on clips release differently than glue. Use a 0.5 mm plastic pick or pry tool at a corner and apply steady, light pressure. Do not force or twist sharply. Once you've exposed a starting edge, press down on the clip location if it's a snap case, then lift a little and move along the perimeter. This avoids popping stress in one spot. If adhesive holds the case, warm the area evenly to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius to soften the glue, and then slide a thin plastic tool beneath the edge, advancing slowly. Make sure you protect the sensors and digital crown. Metal tools on glass can scratch, so keep pressure even and slow to prevent. You've lifted the case, now gently separate it fully and set it aside. Clean any remaining adhesive with 70% isopropyl on a lint-free cloth, carefully avoiding sensor openings. To install a new case, align the cutouts for the crown and sensors, then press evenly until you hear or feel the clips engage, or until adhesive bonds. If the case remains stuck, reheat briefly, recheck for hidden clips, or apply a small amount of isopropyl to soften glue. Do not increase force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.